I am Dr. Umesh Dhamija, founder of Camzon Crazy Lab.
Hi, I am Dr. Dhamija, the junior scientist of Dhamija Crazy Lab. Today we are going to perform a funny experiment with a candle.
So can you imagine that we can rekindle, explode blown off the candle without touching the flame?
Oh, how it is possible?
Oh, great. I'll explain and demonstrate it with you. Right. So I have, okay, now my candle is burning now. Right, let it burn, and now you can see the candle is burning. And now we'll blow off this candle. You can see that without touching the flame to the wick, this candle is again getting fire. Let us try once again. You can see? Yes, Dr. Tavish, can you see?
Yes.
Okay, let's try once more. Wow. So let me explain how it happened. You know that when we are burning this candle, the hydrocarbons are being burned. And the unburned hydrocarbons, which are converting into vapors, they are moving up when we blew off this candle. And then we reignited it, the vapors got fire, and that connected to the wick started burning. Got it? So this is the basic reason how it is possible. Let's try once again. Oh, great. How was it?
It was very great.
Great. Okay, we enjoyed. So, share this video to all the kids, a scientific experiment. Share this video to all. Like it and subscribe my channel, Camzon.